we're going to get you the Italian carnage, which really is the big global story as we speak. A hung parliament in Italy after an inconclusive election mandate has ensured that global equity markets completely nosedive. There is no clear winner to form a government in Italy. The centre-left coalition has won the lower house. There is no majority that they have in the upper house. Berlusconi has won the upper house. He may ally with the centre-left coalition but has ruled out any possible alliance with Mario Monti's party, which has of course fared a poor fourth. Italy completely rejecting austerity. Political deadlock has of course stoked fears of a debt crisis. Equity markets have crashed on uncertainty and the euro hit a 7-week low against the dollar. Let's take a quick look at the Italian stocks and also the European stocks in trade, because that market was a sea of red. That continent did see stocks plunge and plunge rather sharply today. On your screens up next within a moment will be the European counters for you. They're coming up now. There you have it. The FTSE down 1.2%. Italy saw a fall of over 4%. Let's get in Germany and also Paris, and that will really give you a sense of how the continent fared. Germany was down over 1.5%. Paris shaved off nearly 2% in trade. A check on Asia, and that market too tumbled on Tuesday concerning the Italian carnage that one did see. The political uncertainty in Italy caused the Hang Seng to shave off nearly 1.3%, over 1% down for Straits, and the entire region actually was down in the red. The nomination of Japan's next central bank governor was also in focus, with reports indicating that the Asian Development Bank president Haruhiko Kuroda is likely to be confirmed for that role. Nikkei shaving off over 2%, 1.5% down for China. Turn focus, talk about the US market futures, which are indicating a rebound on Wall Street. After all, three major indices cracked over 1% on Monday over concerns about Italy's election results. Right now showing some kind of an uptick, 0.4% in the green for the S&P futures. Even in fact, the Dow futures was up in the green when we had last checked. So pointing towards a stable opening, at least as far as Wall Street is concerned, later in the day today. If we can quickly turn our focus to Dow futures, that will give you a sense of what Wall Street is going to do. Investors will also focus on Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke, who will speak before the Senate Banking Committee later today. Actually, Dow futures is down over 1%, so that's raising concerns on how Wall Street would fare.